Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reference multiple symbols that are not necessarily relays and contacts. Show them referenced together. I'm going to show a main symbol here referenced to two additional symbols. So this has been exploded in its raw state. What I'm going to do is add the referencing myself. So I'm going to go to create new text. I'm going to put in there #C. So a piece of text with an identifier. I'm going to go to component, type S twice to get the sheet and cell reference, and then I'm going to place that text in the box there next to where it says controls. And I'm going to do the same thing. In fact, I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to find the symbol in the background for my controls. And I'm actually going to put the same text on that symbol. Again, sheet cell reference text. I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to do the same thing now with #B. And I'm going to zoom out. Let me move that across to one side a bit. And I'm going to put that in the bus box and zoom out and put in this symbol here. So that's the referencing sorted out now. What I need to do now is save these symbols as a particular type of symbol. I'm going to window round the first one, right click and say block as a component with auxiliary contacts. And that's the important one. We don't need a contact cross-reference symbol. We're just going to do it as an auxiliary and define the references ourselves. So we click OK. We do the same thing for the other two symbols. Right click, I'm going to block as a component with auxiliary contact. Now notice the ID there has been incremented. This is a main component, so it will automatically increment, so we have to actually check it and say, put that back to A2. Do you want to combine this? We'll say yes. And now straight away I've got a reference to page 3, column 2. And if I go back to the other one, in the controls, the second one, because the hash sequence sheet reference matches, it references in there. So I'll do the same thing for this one. Block this as an auxiliary with contact. Set the ID to be the same. And then OK. And combine these straight away. Referencing to there, and the bus is back in 3, page 1, column 1.